The sturdy, lightweight Essential G is a technically advanced upright vacuum. It features an electronic controller that alerts the user to problems such as clogs, a worn brush, a full bag, brush obstructions, and when brush height is set too high for optimum cleaning. It also automatically shuts off the vacuum to protect the motor and belt from damage. The Essential G also offers manual brush height adjustment, a convenient instant-use cleaning wand, and suction hose. Buy a SEBO vacuum today, the world's best for healthy homes, where reliability is standard.